representative of Slovenia and invite the representative of Pakistan to take the floor.
Thank you. I would like to thank Saudi Arabia and France for convening this preparatory meeting, and we also are grateful to the co-chairs of the working groups for their valuable briefings. This conference is both timely and essential. The continued suffering of the Palestinian people, the unfolding humanitarian catastrophe in Gaza, and the systematic erosion of the objective of the two-state solution through illegal settlements and various other unilateral measures by the occupying power demand a resolute international response. Pakistan remains steadfast in its support for a just, lasting and comprehensive solution to the Palestinian question, rooted in international law and relevant UN resolutions, based on pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as the capital of an independent state of Palestine. This conference, we believe, must serve as a turning point and deliver tangible outcomes. We reaffirm our full commitment to this process and to actively engage in the June conference. We will submit our inputs to the respective working groups. All of these working groups are very important, and we will contribute to help shape action-oriented deliverables. In the lead-up to June, it is imperative to restore and fully implement a ceasefire in Gaza, to lift the blockade, ensure unimpeded humanitarian access, including through UNRWA, and to protect civilians and aid workers. Any attempt to forcibly displace Palestinians, annex territory, or impose militarized aid mechanisms must be firmly rejected. To preserve the viability of a Palestinian statehood, among other steps, we believe that this conference must establish a mechanism to monitor and promote enforcement of relevant Security Council resolutions, including 242, 446, and 2334, which termed settlements illegal. This should be coupled with diplomatic efforts to secure Palestine's admission as a full UN member state. And secondly, this conference should operationalize the Gaza reconstruction plan endorsed by the OIC and the Arab Group. Projects such as Gaza West Bank Transit Corridor, seaport reconstruction, and industrial zones are vital for territorial contiguity and Palestinian unity. Ultimately, this conference must address the root cause, that is, Israel's prolonged occupation. Only by ending the occupation can we secure a just and lasting peace. Pakistan stands ready to support this conference and contribute to a credible political horizon for a two-state solution, one that upholds Palestinian rights, including right to self-determination, ends occupation, and delivers durable peace through a viable, sovereign Palestinian state with East Jerusalem as its capital. I thank you.